guys, Snowman Man back with another video. Awesome sauce. Today I got some Robux and I was able to buy this. And now look. Well, she's dead. Eh eh eh. Eh eh eh. Oh yeah. Yeah, jump. 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 I gotta jump over this. Okay, I died. Drink. Equipped. Yeah, bro. You wanna know what my next thing I'm trying to buy is? Every single potion. And I'm starting out with the cheapest one, which is 130. Imagine I actually finish this challenge without a buck. Alright, my goal, guys. My goal is to not spend a single buck. I can't do this entire video right now. Beginner protection. 100 rounds? Bro! I hate that beginner protection. Dude, I hate the beginner protection, bro. Guys, how did I die? Alright. Drink. Alright, that. And then we, go back to the spawn point. And I we're back at the spawn point. Whoa! Whoa! Come on! Alright, come on, guys! Come on! I got the most expensive items in the game. Oh, that's not that expensive. Dun. What? Look at this. Reload, bro! Why is it going that way? Stop going that way. Bulldog, why you have 11 freaking... Can I do Carmen? I can't do Carmen yet. But I will be able to do Carmen soon. Well, oh, this is nice. I can't do Bulldog, which is stupid. I thought I gave it to you. I thought I gave it to you. Guys, I got suspended, bro. Oh my god! I haven't gotten this one. I haven't gotten this one yet. Guys, I have not gotten this one. Maybe I did. And I just didn't know. But I'm pretty sure I did not get this one. Oh my god. Dude, I hit her. Oh my god. You gotta make sure we're the only ones that is just staying here. Dude, I hate this. Bye. What? Why is everyone here? Oh my god. Dude, why is like 2 points? Oh, get ready. Alright, hold. Bye. 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 I want that coin. What? Dude, I just lost my stuff. Man, I lost my thing, bro. What is happening to don't press the button? Just us. Gus. This is literally the entire map, by the way. Also, I want the climb. So I guess I kind of got, goodness. Trick shot! Oh, I got him. Oh, I got him. Let's go, guys. I got him. Give me the coins. Got 15. There we go. Nice. I got suspended. Alright, we can afford the first potion. Alright. Bought first potion. Alright, we bought the first potion. It says it may have some seer. Oh! My head's growing. See what's next! Oh, this one. This one's gonna be annoying. This is gonna be... Oh no, not the tiny. Oh my god, I forgot. Oh, she's dead. Now it's just him. Left. Oh. Wait, can I kill you? I don't know if I should kill him. I'm gonna kill him. Die. Where's he at? Oh. Nope, you can't get. Oh, he literally killed himself. Damn! Click the button. Enter the castle. Gotta enter the castle. And we're gonna have to win. He died. Hee. Bro! Wait, let me in the castle. Nah. Not me right now. Alright, watch this. Oh man, I got blocked. Hold up, watch this. Look at protection. Die! Alright, I guess you can't kill him yet. The glory boy just started. You dead? Hey, come on. Let's go! I got him! Let's go! They're never gonna... I forgot, bro. I forgot she has the point target. Roblox, let me get my thing back. Finally, I got it. That's scene bounty. Bro, how did I miss? How did I miss? 꽃이 피었습니다. 고구마 꽃이 피었습니다. 꽃이 피었습니다. What the heck? Alright, how much is the next potion? 230. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot. Oh! Oh, wait, she just... She died. Die. Click the button. Gotta avoid the cube. Oh! That was a close one. That was a close one, guys. Dude. Oh my god. Alright, I gotta organize my inventory. So that goes there. And here, that, no, that goes here. This goes here. And then the drink. Let's drink my potion. What? Dude! Hold up, if I just leave and rejoin. I should have my VC back, right? Oh, yes. I got my VC back. Why is he spinning? That goes there, that goes there. Bro, they just cleared my inventory for me, bro. Thank you, Roblox. They just cleared my inventory. Alright, it's vacation! And a coin spawn. Coin spawn, let's go. Coin. You're gonna die. You can't die. You're gonna die. Watch out, guys. Dinos! Yo, I got my voice chat back. I don't want this. I never equipped it. Bro, why does it have chocolate milk? My drink. Now we get my own. God, bro, we can't kill Pink. We can't kill her because she has beginner's protection. I can't believe how many people are gonna be killing her once she gets to 100 kills. Yeah, I hate the beginner's protection, but it does make sense. We don't want any kids rage quitting. Oh. Let's see what we get. A big brain. Dude, I hate this. I can't kill certain people. Bruh. The server's gone so used to me that it's just... Oh, killed one. Now we can't kill these two people because they have beginner's protection. Yeah, the old game was way better. I remember when I first joined. On a different account. Bro, what do you mean 12? Whatever. Got 120. Bro, I'm trying to kill Aaron, bro. Alright, Aaron, you're dying. Oh, yeah. Next one is Jerry. Ah! Oh, I actually killed him. That's crazy. Alright, I can't kill these two people because, the protection. Let's see what we get. So if I get big brain again, I want to stop getting big brain. I hate big brain. Yay. At least it's still organized. Not that organized. Oh my god, that thing literally just went by past me. Alright, so that. Let's go, I got a higher walk speed, but that's about to go. My potion's just gonna make it normal. Dude, this is awesome sauce. Dude, RYX, bro, you're literally the controller. I don't want this stuff in my inventory. Alright, God, this is crazy. So that's electric, so you can't really go there. Oh my God. Die. Oh, I can get a spin. We can either get something really good or something absolutely terrible. At least I can buy my new potion. That's its friends. Alright, let's buy our new potion. How much for the next one? 400. I bought my next potion. We're coming back down. I bought my new potion. I'm kind of on fire. Including with this one. Okay, I'm gonna die. Drink my potion. That's better. Alright, let's buy this. Let's get that again. You're gonna die. I missed. I'm gonna cry. Alright, die. Protection! He's at all the way at the bottom. It's 3 players with the beginner's protection. Alright, drink. I can't drink it. Alright, now I'm spinning. Alright, this is weight. I kind of... Still spinning. Ow. drink. That's better. Oh yeah, Vector. What? Oh, I'm gonna have to reorganize. Oh, we got this one again. Bro, I swear! Die. Bruh. Alright, organize. Drink. Alright, back equipped. Bro, what? Alright, this. Oh, I killed I killed the mummy. Oh, the mummy's dead. Right, cut. Oops! Bro, I'm actually sorry. Bro. I'm just going to a different server. My server has way too many players that are crap. I'm joining the server. Damn, already organized. That's what I love. I haven't gotten this one in a little bit. Are you about to win? Nuh-uh. Bro! Oh my god, 2 players already died. Can I kill her? I can kill her, but I can't kill K-Bay. Okay, Bay died anyways. Oh, you're gonna die. Dude, they keep dying. That's crazy. You're gonna die. Bro! Oh no, it's musty. Alright, it's not messy anymore. Alright, feel. I have to invite him. Then I'm just gonna buy like everything else. Oh yeah, Vector. Oh yeah. Get the coin. It's stupid that is like freaking thing. You can't even die. Dude, you can't even die. You have a beginner's protection. I can't kill you until you have 100 rounds. I hate the beginner's protection. Die. Please. Die. Bro, that hit her toes. That hit his toes. Bro, he also... Oh my god. Alice, that's this you. Oh, she's dead. Can't kill these people. That just freaking falls down. Please fall down. Let's go. I win. Oh yeah. Bro, there's like no one playing. They're the top for longest. They come up and literally just shoot them and they're gonna die. Someone came up. You get out. It should be every second you get 1 coin. That'll be way better. Bro, there's only one run left and it's just that bomb thing. Everyone literally rage quit. That means I gotta invite everyone. Oh yeah! Back with another awesome sauce video. 40 points, only 15 points. Oh, someone joined. Nice. Dude. Yes! Another one. You wanna know something? Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. No more beginner's protection. Oh, yeah. You'll die. You are next. Rah! I don't like how people are so tiny. I dare you. Yeah, bro. I dare you to stay in the air for like 10 seconds. Oh, nice. So many people joined. Bro, fake steak. You just gotta die. Tiny avatar. You gotta die. Oh my god, so many people already died. And it's just... Dude! Yeah, I'm pretty much avoiding the kill. Die! Die! Oh, he died. Now it's just coming from me. No. I did avoid the cube. Alright, we're doing good. I need more. And we all know you're fake. Like, bye. Yo, what's up, not a noob? What's up? What's up? I can't kill players. Get to the end without jumping. Alright! Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that is a trick shot! Did you guys actually see that? Oh, he's back. Dude, I was right there. No! Not allowing anyone except him. What? I killed... Oh my god. Oh, now you follow beasts. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. What? God. Oh my god. Don't play. Just love this. Just oh, good thing I have 500 HP. I win. Oh yeah. I'm not drinking that. I mean, I need that for my every potion effect. So stay in my inventory for a bit. Bro, like I got 5 coins. They all stole the coins. Yo, not a noob. Where's your voice chat, bro? Nah, I'm still killing you. You're done, bro. Biggity frack frog, everything smash. What do you mean you don't know? What do you mean? queen! Die. Only one door is correct. I'm not doing it at all. I'm pretty sure it's this one! Got this one. This one. This one. It's this one! I won. Alright. Almost. Her name is Billie Jean. She costs the same. Alright, coin shop. I'm gonna see what's in my next potion. Bought this. 400 coins. Extremely hot sauce. You've been warned. And then we got this potion. And this. There's so many. That's also a potion because it gives you something. Quickly drink. Accidentally drink though. I say the god of red team wins. Dude, what? How do I keep missing? What shell potato? Whoa, watch out, Riot Queen. You die, and then she can't die. I actually killed her. Now I'm the killer. Oh, no. You think you're safe? Bruh. Right, load. Alright, hit him with this. Brother. Bro, how did I miss? They spawn all right here. I was right. Hurry, get to the ground. Alright, come on. Can I afford it? I can afford it. Nice. It's extremely hot sauce. So right now, I'm a lot of sauce. I got 30. Today I hate when you can't find a number. Oh, there, this one. Hold up. Oh, I thought that was a coin for a second. I was like, wow. So they all spawn here. You die. You die. Bro, not the protection. You die. Bro, what the protection? I don't like this one. So I gotta do it the old-fashioned way. I not getting them? Well, whatever, I hate this anyways. I hate Princess. Oh my god, not this one. Bro! Bro! Not again. I just put this here. Put this here, and then this there. By the way, you can do 2 at a time. There's the owner here! The owner's here, but so guys, the owner's here. I'm kind of questioning my life. Hey hey developer. Hello? Hello? Yeah, I don't think the developer likes me. I swear, if I get banned. Yo, developer! You gonna say something or you can't shout? Yo, developer, how's it going? How's it going? Dude, how's it going? Dude, how's it going, bro? You have chat? Wait, jump twice if you have chat. Jump twice if you got chat. Jump twice if you got chat. Jump twice. Oh, you got chat? Alright, nice. Do you have voice chat? That's what I want to know. Yeah, voice chat. Also, I'm making a video. Let's dance. Let's dance. So, you're like a developer? Oh, wait. So, you're like a developer, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you are a developer. You got the developer thing. Guys, why does the freaking developer randomly do? Oh yeah. And I kinda hate this thing. And then I set invisible barrier. For no reason. I hate the invisible barrier. Well, he's gone. It was nice meeting that developer. I guess he kind of has a green chat because he's a developer. I guess he has a green chat because he's literally a developer. I wish he added me. And he barely talked to me, but he said, "Nice to meet you." Hopefully he adds me. He might add me. Dude, imagine he actually adds me. Dude, just imagine he actually. You're gonna have to deal with it, bro. Now you're going forever. Can't believe I just met one of the developers. No, not the bot. Oh, he's not a bot. Bruh, not the thing. I hate the thing. Oh, yep. You're dead. How did I miss? Oh, you're dead. Yeah. Beginner's protection. one's dead, and I'm the only one left. There's one more player. Where is that? Riot Queen. Who's Riot Queen? So where's Riot Queen? There's no such thing as a Riot Queen. Yeah, one player won. See, Riot Queen doesn't exist. Hold up, watch this. Oh, that mummy's gone and never gonna be seen again. I can kind of explore the thing. So his name is Joe Blocks. Magic Academy. Yeah, see, no Joe Blocks. I see, he did not. I wish he did. Would have been very nice for him talking to me. Alright, that goes there. That goes there. That goes there. No. That goes there. That goes there. Our blue ball screen is kind of all over the place. No. Let's make that. No. Dude, what the heck? I'm actually trash right now. Alright, get in there. Okay, this one get in. This one get in. This one goes there. Yeah, let's go, blue team. Nice. I'll see you guys next round. After the next 2 rounds, I'm gonna end it. Kill people. I wish that God that. And let's see if he... I wish Joe Blocks actually added me. He's a freaking developer. Like, see, I want him to add me. Hopefully he adds him. Guys, hopefully he adds me. I really liked him. He was pretty nice. Got this. What if I drink? Oh wait, I need my finger. Now let's drink it. Kind of getting control. Wow. I missed him. It says it was nice to meet you. Happy face. And yeah. Hopefully he somehow sees this video and adds me. Because imagine he actually sees this video. I'm gonna go insane. I'm gonna check viewers. Oh. I thought that was the giant black hole. Alright, after this round, I'm going to end it. It's been very nice meeting developer, talking to friend. If I never left that server, I would never meet a developer. It's nice. It is extremely hot sauce. Well, click. We start our house. Darn. You're gonna die soon. Now I'm the only one. I'm still standing, better than I ever been. Money. I got 15 coins. No. Get out. There's no more money. find the 4 missing gears to fix the gear. The button. And that's the last one. Nope. Hehe. I don't think I should have done that. Alright, what's next? Hammer. Alright, after the next round, I'm gonna end it. Like, for real. Alright, can this thing just do it? Oh my god. Yeah, I hate this thing. Alright, up, 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 go. Ay, nice. Happy to meet a developer. See you guys. I'm recording for 47 minutes. This is probably one of my longest videos of Don't Press the Button 4, part 4, meeting developer / my friend. See you guys in the next one. And one last thing, video. He did not end. Maybe one day he might end. Who knows? Bye.